Springbank ground, Cessna 172 Golf Whiskey Mike Bravo is at the Calgary Flying Club for Olds-Didsbury at 6500 with information Lima.
Lima.
Golf Whiskey Mike Bravo, Springbank ground, runway 26, altimeter 3004, your squawk code 0447. And taxi Alpha to the main apron, and then do your run up there and just let me know when your run's complete.
Squawk 0447, Alpha to the main apron, do a run up there and we'll let you know when we're ready. Whiskey Mike Bravo.
26.
Check this one.
5,500 mental.
3004 and this one matches. Feels like they're both out. Mixture, rich. Throttle 1700. 1700 on both. Left, back to both. Right mag, mixture check. Carb heat, check RPM drop. Throttle to idle. Right to idle. Oil pressure is above red line. Carb heat cold. Primary locked, unlocked. Radios are set. Master and alternator are both on. Magnetos are on. Carb heat is off. Mixture is set. Trim is set to take off. Flaps are not required. Lights. Springbank ground, Whiskey Mike Bravo is finished run up at the main apron. Looking for a taxi.
Taxi Charlie Delta, hold short, runway 26.
Charlie Delta, hold short 26, Whiskey Mike Bravo, thanks.
Whiskey Mike Bravo, runway length remaining from intersection Delta is 2,200 feet. Is that sufficient?
Yeah, that should be sufficient, thanks. Whiskey Mike Bravo.
Mike Bravo, okay, I checked that, and just monitor tower 118.2.
We'll monitor tower 182, Whiskey Mike Bravo.
Whiskey Mike Bravo at Delta, line up runway 26.
Line up runway 26 at Delta, Whiskey Mike Bravo.
Whiskey Mike Bravo, follow the traffic ahead in the right turn, lock and road 5,500. Winds 240, 14 gust 23 from Delta, clear for takeoff runway 26.
Right turn 5,500 per lock on road, we'll follow the traffic ahead, Whiskey Mike Bravo, clear takeoff 26. Alright, here we go. Throttle's in full. We got airspeed alive, gauge is in the green. And our time up is 5:35. 55, rotate. Shoot for 70. Oh yeah, lots.
Quebec Alpha Bravo from Alpha, backtrack line up runway 26. Thanks for the patience.
Pause the rate, gear up.
Roger, Alpha. Good afternoon, Seneca Golf X-ray Alpha Romeo at the club. 4 cars there, 7,500. We got Mike.
Olds-Didsbury traffic, Cessna 172 Golf, Whiskey Mike Bravo is about 5 minutes to the south. Inbound for touch and go at 5,200 feet. Whiskey Mike Bravo. Olds-Didsbury traffic, Cessna 172 Golf, Whiskey Mike Bravo. Looks like the winds are favoring 10. So descending to circuit altitude to join the left-hand downwind for runway 10. Whiskey Mike Bravo. Alright,
Nice.
Carb heat cold, flaps up.
Okay.
Power. 55 rotate. There we go. Olds-Didsbury traffic, 172 Golf, Whiskey Mike Bravo's in the left-hand downwind for runway 10. Olds-Didsbury traffic, Cessna 172 Golf, Whiskey Mike Bravo's joining final for runway 10. Olds-Didsbury.
Olds-Didsbury, Uniform Charlie Echoes, holding short 10, traffic inside.
Rooted in impatience, keep the blood we spill. In jars to display it for artists' stored sights.
Alright, flaps up, carb heat hot, throttle full.
Actively ignoring.
Rotate. Olds-Didsbury traffic, Golf Whiskey Mike Bravo is off runway 10 and head back to Springbank. Whiskey Mike Bravo.
Even if this could be worked out, our words would never have much clout.
Calgary Terminal, Cessna 172 Golf Whiskey Mike Bravo is over Madden in 6,000 feet with information November en route for Springbank.
Whiskey Mike Bravo, Calgary Terminal, squawk ident, follow the lock-in route inbound, maintain 6,000.
Squawk at maintain 6000, follow lock en route. Whiskey Mike Bravo.
Agents in an endless chain.
I just put my sunglasses on. So we both look cool.
Whiskey Mike Bravo Charge, this one when you're ready.
Someone ready, Whiskey Mike Bravo. Ready.
Boston Jellico, Charge, you just speed up, do not exit Alpha, exit left onto runway 17, there's traffic waiting to cross. And once you're off runway 26, contact me on ground 12 and that's late.
Okay, exit on the runway 17 and contact ground 128 Foxtrot Echo.
Whiskey Mike Bravo Charge, continue number 1, expect clearance short final.
Continue number 1, Whiskey Mike Bravo.
Springbank Tower, Foxtrot India Zulu, just over Elbow Springs, 6,000 feet with information November full stop.
Quebec Papa Bravo Charge, you can turn base now and keep it squared to final.
Roger, with turn base now, keep straight to final, clear about Bravo.
Number 5, ground cross running 26, Alpha, Charlie to executive.
Cross runway 26 Alpha, Charlie to executive, 75.
Quebec Papa Bravo Charge, this one when you're ready.
Just one ready, clear about Bravo.
Cessna Apache, Alpha Zulu, Springbank Tower, inbound for full stop.
Affirmative, India Zulu.
Alpha Zulu Tower, runway 26, altimeter 3003, make your right turn towards the dam. Join final there, descend to 5,500, squawk nets.
Okay, down to 5,500 feet, we'll further right turn towards the dam for India Zulu.
Whiskey Mike Bravo Tower, winds 2709, gusting 24, clear to line runway 26.
Clear line 26, Whiskey Mike Bravo.
Yankee ground runway 26, altimeter 3003. And squawk 4232, taxi by Charlie Delta, hold short runway 26.
Alright, squawk 4232, taxi Charlie Delta, holding short 26, Yankee.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Turning around, Quebec City Series, it's tower apron, looking to go to the club.
That was
Quebec City ground,
prettiest line.
taxi by Alpha to the club.
Alpha to the club, Quebec City Series, thanks.
I feel like it made.
Whiskey Mike Bravo, Charlie to the left Alpha, contact me on ground 12 and that's once you're off.
Left that Alpha with 218 off, Whiskey Mike Bravo.
Quebec Papa Bravo Charge, traffic exiting Alpha, winds 2607, gusting 24, clear to line runway 26.
Third line 26, clear Bravo Bravo.
Springbank ground, Whiskey Mike Bravo's at Alpha at the flight club.
Whiskey Mike Bravo ground, taxi Alpha.
Taxi Alpha, Whiskey Mike Bravo. Alright, flaps are up. Very cold. Turn my strobes off. And landing light.
Yep, and landing light.
Quebec Papa Bravo, Charlie to the left Alpha, contact me on ground 12 and that's